Hello everyone, I am Nikhil Goyal and today I would like to demonstrate my final project for CS50P, that is Taskify, a minimalist to-do app. So let's move on to the demonstration. So here's the demonstration for Taskify. So these are the 7 options that we get. Uh, these are the 7 operations that we can perform. So first of all, I will demonstrate adding a new task to the to-do. So I can input 3 and enter the task name. So that is, let's say, buy groceries. So here is the updated to-do list, right? And I would add another task for demonstrating further purposes. So let's say the task is ABC. So here the status can take two values, that is IN or C. IN stands for incomplete and C for completed. So let's say I made a mistake and I wanted to enter XYZ and not ABC. So I can correct that as well. Here you can see for number 2 there's update existing tasks, so I can enter in number 2. And so here I am asked for the task ID for which I want to update the task. So the task ID for ABC is 2, so I can enter 2, and then I want to say let's change the task to XYZ. So now I would like to view my tasks. So see, the ABC here was updated to XYZ here. Another functionality that I would like to demonstrate is the exporting to a CSV. So that is choice number 6. So here it asks me for my name, let's say Nikhil, and as you can see here, thank you for using the app, and the to-do has been exported under the name Nikhil's to-do.csv. And if I was to look over to the file explorer on left, here it says Nikhil's to-do, and as you can see, this is a to-do file, CSV file that contains all my to-dos. So yeah, that was my project. Thank you for listening to me. I would also be uploading this on my GitHub. So my name is Nikhil and this was CS50.